Hey everybody, this is Maureen. I'm here today to share with you a whole bunch of layouts. As you can see, I know it's been quite a long time since I've shared with you, but I've had a lot going on with my life. But anyway, let's get to it. This is a layout that I did with, I want to say, one of HipKit layouts, I think. Anyway, here you go. There's one. Here is another one that I did. A lot of my layouts, I have used HipKit Club's layouts or just stuff that I picked up over time. I also use some mixed media on my layouts. I'd also like to say that I'm not very good at embellishing, so you'll see that as we come along. This is got some hand stitching around the edges. This one has a lot of splatters around in different colors. Some cork accents on it. This has some wood veneer on it, and I did some stenciling and some mixed media with some paste on it. This is a pink fresh paper. I can feel it. This has some thread back here. This must be inspired by Missy Whitten, I'm assuming. Yes, this is a HipKit Club. Torn paper, got some washi tape. Oh, where are these from? Pink paisley, these are old. I colored them. More stenciling and more paste. This is of my nephew Colin. So for these, I would stamp and left them blank with journaling so that my sister-in-law can fill that in. This one will go into my mother-in-law's scrapbook. Oh, it's on my ScarJo, baby. Oh, this is all using Project Life cards. Even the embellishments that I made myself. Here's what I'm talking about with the bad with embellishments, as you can see. My husband helped X-Acto cut these leaves from one of the papers for me to use as a stencil. This is a picture of me and my siblings out for my youngest sister's birthday, I think, downtown. This is another one of my nephew, so I left it blank so they can write down what they want. This is using an older collection, and I can't remember the name of it. This is using a collection from Michaels, and on here I just actually stamped out my own little sayings. And this is of our dog, Scarlet. This is doing the monochromatic. I actually need to go and add my splatters on here before I put it away. And you guys will notice also that I don't have a lot of written journaling anymore because I do that afterwards. I think this is a poolside collection, if I'm not mistaken. And if you can see it, there is a sun there, but it's yellow, so it may be hard to see. I'm pretty sure this is from the Hip Kick Club, if I'm not mistaken. Me and my youngest. That's my sister, my youngest daughter. My crazy one. I want to add some splatters to that one as well. So my niece, so this will go in their scrapbook. This is a long time ago, but this is again made with Hip Kick Club. Oh, and this is her brother, so that'll go right along with it in their book. And again, this is from a long time ago. And that's a collection from, I think it's My Mind's Eye, if I'm not mistaken. A cut and paste collection. And this is another one of my nieces. And I just love how this turned out. We are big Halloween fans here. So, yes. This is of my girls. I believe another Hip Kit layout. This is my best friend and her son. It does have some mixed media in the background. It's yellow, so it's hard to see, but it's there. This is my nephew. And this I was testing myself to do a masculine layout with what I consider, I guess, like feminine papers. This had hearts on it. This has hearts on it. This was like a peachy pink color. So anyway, I think I did a good job making it masculine layout out of it. So this This is my niece. How she is now. This is my mom and my sister. You can see me start to like try and make some of my own embellishments here. A little mess up on the page, but I just went with it. This one is actually using the same exact papers that I used on a few pages ago, my nephew's page. And also they're using, those pages were using Hip Kit Clubs. This one is using, I think it's called One Fine Day. I think it's from My Mind's Eye. This is of my oldest daughter when she was little. This is using Jen Hadfield's collection. Yes, that's what it is. Lumberjack, I think is what this one's called. Going back to, this is using Hip Kit Club. And then just wood veneer for my stash. And just some mixed media in the background. Trying to match that green. This is using Fifth and Monaco, and then the butterflies are from Hip Kit Club, and probably the alpha is from Hip Kit Club. That's of my other niece, which she's at her age now. This is of my two daughters and my nephew. They were actually out dancing in the rain, and Double Rainbow came out, but this paper came in one of our Hip Kit Clubs, and I actually found this stamp about life isn't about how to survive in a storm, but how to dance in the rain, so it just worked perfect. I fussy cut the rainbows and then distressed them a little bit. I had some mixed media in the background. Yeah. This is of my youngest daughter when she was born, using the Hazelwood collection from One Canoe 2. And some old mixed media pages I had done a long time ago. This is some mixed media pages I had done a long time ago, and I used some scraps that I just cut triangles out of, and this is an old picture of my nephew, so this will be going into their scrapbook for them. This is using Hip Kit Club. This is to document. Eventually, I'm going to write on the back about my dog and how much good she's done for me in therapy, how much therapy she's been for me. And finally, my best friend's son Weston, and I just used some paper and then washi tape from my stash, and this is from Echo Park, I think it's called Imagination Collection. So that is that. That's all that I have to share with you today. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.